How to add Gpn and Mpn to Google Merchant Center on Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can do it. So first of all, you have to log into your Shopify account. So after logging in, you will see these products options from the top left corner. The third one, tap on the products, and then you have to choose up your products. For example, this one. Let me click onto this one. Then here, this is the inventory sector, or you can say editor sector of your product. You have to scroll down to the bottom. Now you have to enter your SKU code and barcode. It can be anything: ISBN, UPS, EN, GTIN, etc. So these two things are crucial to add to your Google Merchant Center. So you have to enter a code, for example this, and then let's copy this one, and then you have to paste it to there. Now after customizing all of this thing, you have to just tap onto this option, save, and you have to save it up. So as you can see, the product has been saved. Now you have to head over to Google Merchant Center. Just log into your Google Merchant Center, and from here, sign in. You will see this sign into Merchant Center, then tap onto this option and wait until this load comes. You just have to enter to your Google Merchant Center, and then you'll be able to, okay, let me just copy this link right from here. You'll be able to add it to Google Merchant Center. Then you have tap answer, then continue. So just let's continue to Merchant Center. So that's it, and wait until it loads completely. So there we go. There is our product. You can see on the product section, there is our all products. Now you can also add products if you wish to. So this is how you can add a product. And you can also check out this shipping and returns, business info, and etc. You can just get started. So that was it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video. And make sure to enter the these codes perfectly, and then just go to your Google Merchant Center and then just log into it.